Il est avec nous ce soir. Applaudissements pour Michel Polnareff qui est notre invité. Michel Polnareff avec nous ce soir. Asseyez-vous, Michel. Michel Polnareff qui est avec nous. On est très heureux de vous voir. C'est ici que ça se passe tous les soirs. C'est touche pas mon poste. Ça va, Michel?
Ça va et toi?
Je vous le dis, vous savez que je suis très ému de recevoir Michel Polnareff. Michel, quoi, déjà un cadeau pour moi, Michel.
En tant que Michel Polnareff,
oui.
Et comme j'ai remarqué que tu avais montré ton postérieur très souvent, ce qui veut dire qu'on a quelque chose en commun,
oui, c'est
mais
vrai.
en tant que Michel Polnareff, je voudrais te décorer de...
Ah oui. Ça me fait plaisir.
chevalier de la République.
Merci, Michel.
No, stop it.
The fuck? Oh my god, that's gonna crash. Oh my god. Yes. Call the police. I'm serious. Call the police right now. Call the police right now. Call the police right now. Okay.
On the sticks and make sure nothing's vibrating or fluttering in a way that we didn't intend it to. A lot of the test points for today were at altitude, 25, 35, 45,000 feet. By being up at altitude, we get very low pressure and very cold temperature, both things that we will fight in spaceflight and want to make sure those systems are good. You know, we've done what we need to do to start flight testing, but we need to keep working on what it takes to make this vehicle live a lifetime. So it's not just 10 or 20 or 100 flight tests, it's 1,000 flights of commercial service. So, you know, it really is, at the end of the day, a hand-built spaceship. There's a lot of care and love and sweat and even tears that go into making this spaceship. It's both the manufacturing team, the production team, the engineering design team, the testing teams, they're artists, and they do a lot of amazing work. For each person here at the company, I think we all have a dream of making this thing a reality. That we get to do that for someone else, but we get to do it ourselves, the act of delivering it. It's why I came to Virgin Galactic. I want to be intimately involved in putting people into space. I think that's why most people are here at the Spaceship Company and at Virgin Galactic. We're not just building a spaceship, we're not just building a spaceship company, we're building